If your timeline is laggy, your playback keeps stuttering, and Resolve feels like it's about to crash, stop blaming your computer. The problem isn't your hardware, it's your settings. DaVinci Resolve ships with defaults that are wrong for almost everyone. Before you edit a single clip, there are 7 settings you need to change. Let's fix them. Setting 1. Set the right GPU. Go to Preferences, Memory and GPU. If GPU processing mode is set incorrectly, Resolve might not even be using your graphics card properly. If Auto isn't working well, manually select CUDA for NVIDIA or OpenCL for AMD. One setting, huge performance difference. Setting 2. Increase memory allocation. Still inside Preferences, look at Memory Configuration. By default, Resolve doesn't always use as much RAM as it could. Got 16 gigabytes or more? Give Resolve more of it. More RAM means smoother playback, fewer crashes, less waiting. Setting 3. Enable Render Cache Smart. Go to Playback, Render Cache Smart. Resolve will automatically pre-render heavy effects in the background. So instead of your timeline choking every time you hit play, you get smooth playback without touching a single clip. If you've made it this far, the next setting is the one that actually saved me hours of wasted editing time. Stick with me. Setting 4. Lower timeline proxy resolution. If you're editing 4K footage, don't preview everything in full resolution. That's just punishing your computer for no reason. Go to Playback, Timeline Proxy Resolution. Set it to half or even quarter. Here's the part people don't realize. Your export quality stays exactly the same. You're just making the editing faster, not the final render. Setting 5. Turn on Live Save. Go to Preferences, User, Project, Save and Load. Enable Live Save and Project Backups. One crash, one power outage, one accidental click, and hours of work gone. This single toggle has saved my timeline more times than I want to admit. Turn it on right now. Setting 6. Optimized Media Format. Open Project Settings, Master Settings. Scroll to Optimized Media and Render Cache. Use DNX HRLB on Windows or ProRes Proxy on Mac. These formats are built specifically for smooth editing performance. If you're working with H.264 footage, which most cameras and phones shoot, this one setting can completely transform how Resolve feels. Quick note, this feature is available on both the free and studio versions of Resolve, so no upgrade needed here. Setting 7. Match your timeline resolution. This mistake quietly destroys export quality, and most beginners never even notice it happening. People import 4K footage, then accidentally edit inside a 1080p timeline. Everything looks softer, less sharp, and you won't know why until it's too late. Always check Project Settings, Timeline Resolution. Make sure it matches your footage before you start editing. 2 seconds now. Hours saved later. Those are the first 7 settings I change on every new DaVinci Resolve install. If you only remember one thing from this video, don't edit with the default settings. Resolve is powerful, but only once you tell it how to use your hardware. Quick question for you. NVIDIA or AMD? Drop it in the comments. I want to see what most of you are running. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial.